How to print Google Calendar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can print your Google Calendar. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to any web browser of your choice and then simply search for Google Calendar. Now once you have searched, hit the enter button and you will see this link, that is Google Calendar. Now from here, click on Google Calendar and open that particular month that you want to print. So for example, let's say I want to print this particular month of November 2025. So in order to print this particular view, I will simply click onto this settings gear icon over the left hand side of this month corner. So you can switch any view that you like using this toggle, and then in order to download or print this particular calendar, click onto the settings gear icon, and from here you will see this fourth option, that is print. So click onto this print option and you can see that this is the print range. So you can determine the print range. If you want to change it, you can click onto any date and then choose that particular date that you want. So for example, let's say I will be moving it to 1st of November to 30th of November. So I will simply go back and from here choose 30th. Now you can see it will show me that particular preview, and then from the view you can choose any of the view like auto, day or week view. You can also choose the font size, orientation, color and style as well, and then you can click on this print option and it will open it for you, and you can print it by clicking onto this print option and select your printer as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.